Hello friends, welcome to UA Infotech channel. So in this session, we will learn BS5 tables. Okay, let me share my screen. So create a new file. Now I can save the file with table.html. So last class we learned Bootstrap colors. Okay, so in this session we will learn table using in Bootstrap. Okay, so coming to the table, it's a combination of rows and columns. To store something in data in tabular format, we use this table. Okay, so basically in general in HTML, we use the basic table here. Okay, first I'll show the a difference between a basic table in HTML and the basic table in the Bootstrap. Okay, so let me write the code. So this is an BS tables. Now I haven't add any Bootstrap link here. Okay, so let me try with this HTML table first. Okay, table tag. Okay, inside of here we will use tr. Okay, so in the tr it's a table row. Okay, and here I'm just writing first name, and let me copy this. Let me make this to last name and last name, and we can enter here an email, and let me add one more, that is gender. Then let me add here DOB. Okay, date of birth. Okay, and after that, sorry, okay, okay, let me add DOB. Okay, so we have a tr is there. This is a row. I can make it to tr here. Okay, so inside of row we'll make your, okay, table column. So whether you can use here an th or td. Okay, so here I'm forgot to take th inside of tr. We can make this one here th. Here also I'll just make it to th. Sorry, we'll do one thing. So let me save my Visual Studio. Okay, now I'll create new file here. Now we can save this file as a table.html. Okay, so let me write some code here. Now the code is created. Now I'll just make it to here, table. Okay, so I'll make here a BS table, Bootstrap. Now I haven't add any Bootstrap link here. Okay, so it's just normal HTML file. In normal HTML, how we can create a table in the sense, let me show here. Okay, so table I have created. Inside of table we have a table row is here. Now inside we will place here th table head, or you can write column td also. Okay, now let me write here on a first name. Okay, now let me make a copy of this last name, last name, and just make it to email, Okay, you can write here gender. Yeah, it's enough. Okay, so I'll take 4 columns here. Okay, first name, last name, email, and the gender. Okay, now similarly, let me create a few more rows. Okay, so tr and td. So first name equal to Suresh, and the last name equal to Kondoru, and email equal to ksuresh at the rate gmail.com. Okay, and the gender is male. Okay, let me copy this data. We'll make a few more copies. Okay, and here I need to add something like a serial number. Okay, we can add here serial number. Okay, serial number. The same thing we will add here also TD1 and TD2. Okay, now Sureka and let me add here V Sureka gmail.com and let me add here female. Okay, so and just make it here also TD serial number 3 Nagesh Kumar K Nagesh. Let me copy and make it a few more. Just make it 4 and 5 and Eli Kumar male. Let me add here uh, let me add one more data or Devia. Okay, similarly let me take one more data. Okay, one more data I'll just enter here and this I can take here 6 and Kavya. Okay, now we'll run this one on the browser. Right click, open in default browser. See, we just created a table here. Okay, so table is created. Now we are going to enter. Okay, in HTML, we just enter here. If you want to add some border, we'll add some border equal to 1 and we'll give some height equal to 400 and width equal to 600. Okay, now just go to this browser, just reload this page. Look at this. We just created a table using normal HTML. Now the same thing, instead of giving this, I'll show in Bootstrap here. So let me add the Bootstrap link. Okay. So BS link. Okay. Now link CSS bootstrap.min.css file. Okay. So now, so I'm going to create here. Okay. One container. Inside it, you can take one row here. Okay. Now I'm taking here call Excel 6. Okay. Now I'm cut entire table. We can paste it inside of here. Okay. Now let me go to this browser. Let's reload this page. Look at this. Okay. Now the table was created. Okay. Now the table is created, right? Now we need to apply here. Okay. Like a border. So we have a table bordered class. Okay. And look at this. So in order to create a table, just we can add here a table class. So table is a class which will behave as a table. Look at this. So we'll write a table class. Once we can write the table class, the table look and feel is changed. Now we need a border here. Okay. So for border, we use a table border. So this class will add all the sides a border. Okay. So we use a table border. See, just add a border here. Now I need a zebra crossing lines here. Okay, so I need like first and okay, first and third should be highlighted. So I'm just add here one class is called table striped. So just a zebra crossing lines towards the table striped. Okay, just add here a striped table there. Okay, and also we use, okay, when we can add here a hover effect for this table using a table hover class. So it makes like it will give you a gray color background for whenever we can hover on the data. Okay, we'll use here table hover. Okay, when you hover on this Suresh, Nagesh, Divya. Okay, so just make it here a gray color background. Okay, now we also create like a table dark. Okay, so we just applied contextual classes for the table also. Okay, let me apply here. So go to this. Let me apply here table dark class. Table dark. See, we just want to create a block color table. Okay, the same table we just copy and pasted for one more one more data. Like let me copy this call Excel 6, make it here. And now instead of table dark, okay, so we're gonna apply here a contextual class as bg primary. Okay, let me check this one. Oh, it can't apply here. So, okay, so let me cut this bg primary class. Okay, I'll place it here in the tr. So in the tr itself, let me take a class here, and you can make it here bg primary. What happened? Okay, the basic classes is not applied here. Okay, we'll do one thing. I'll make it here. Now we are going to apply, okay, we are going to apply a color table. Okay, so color table, let me make a copy of this one. Okay, we can paste it here. Now we created one more Excel here. So instead of table dark, let me make it here table primary. Okay, so go there, just reload this page. Now I'll get your table primary. Now we just apply a dark color table. Right now I'm going to create one more copy of this color Excel 6. Now I can paste it here. Okay, now here we are giving this table dark, right? Okay, now I'll just make it to here table danger. Okay, let me go to this browser, just reload this page. So we'll get a color table here. Okay, and instead you can also change here a different okay, success. Now we'll make it here a green color. We'll make it a blue color by giving the primary. Okay, and we'll make it a warning. Okay, so we'll make a colorful tables here, and we can also make, okay, so instead of giving here, we can also write the same thing in tier also. Okay, here itself is just right here. So we can take a class. In class itself, we can make it here table warning and class equal to. So here we'll write active. This means this first row will be in the active position. Class equal to table secondary, and here class equal to table info, and here also class equal to table danger. Okay, now we can also apply here class equal to table primary. So go to this browser once, just reload this page. See, I just apply a different colors, different combinations for the tables. Okay, and also one more thing in this table concepts, we have a responsive table is here. So responsive table in the sense we need to make this table as a responsive position. So what happen if you add more data here? Suppose here I'm just adding an address. Okay, I'm gonna add address. After that, I'm gonna add here marks, and I'm gonna add one more uh, one more column, address, marks, and the phone number. Okay, now let me go to this browser once, just reload this page. Now look at this. Okay, it's just overlapping here. Okay, now I'm just making here the table as a responsive position. In order to make this table as a responsive position, we have one class is called table responsive. Let me make here a table responsive. So in the responsive, we have a table responsive SM, LG, and XS. Okay, like in double XL and XL, LG, MD, and SM is a table responsive SM. It will show you the table responsive for in small screen devices, and table responsive MD, it shows like a table is responsible in medium screen devices. Okay, so I'm taking a shorthand property table responsive. It should support for each and every format. I'm taking as a table responsive. I'll cut this table. We can paste it inside of here in the div. Okay, now go to this browser, just reload this page. You just add here a scroll bar for the table itself. Look at this. Like we can make a table as a responsive position.